In this video, I will show you how to post a rental listing on Zillow. Start by navigating to the Zillow website on your computer. Locate the Manage Rentals option in the header, hover over it, and select My Listings from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Add a Property in the upper right corner of your screen. Begin by entering your first and last name and selecting whether you are a landlord or a property manager. Indicate the number of properties you own or manage, then click Next. Enter the street address of the property you wish to list, specify the property type, house, apartment, townhouse, or apartment community, click on Next, and confirm the address. Click Create Listing to proceed. Enter details such as square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and then click on Next. Provide a compelling description of your property in the designated box. They have also provided you with tips to optimize your listing. Click on Next. Input the monthly rent amount and security deposit, and add any special offers if applicable. Next, upload property photos from your device, and if desired, include a 3D tour using the Zillow 3D Home app. Specify included features, such as appliances or parking spaces, and provide additional property details. Then click on Next again. If you have financial expectations for renters, set criteria like minimum income or credit score. On the next page, you'll be asked about your pet policy. On the next page, you will have the option to specify your lease terms and indicate whether a renter's insurance is required for tenants. On the final page, first select whether you are the property owner, management company, or tenant. Additionally, provide your name and email address. Click on Next. Here, if you want to add a phone number, you can click on Add Phone Number and verify it through the OTP code they sent to your number. After that, click on Next again. Then select the days on which you are available to show the property. If you are only available on weekends, select Saturdays and Sundays. After that, click on Next. On the final page, review all your property details. Once complete, click Next to publish your listing.